In today's world, hygiene is paramount. Microbes are everywhere, and their presence can significantly impact the life of all. From hospitals to food production units, our little eye home maintaining a germ-free environment are essential. But traditional methods of disinfection can be harsh, time-consuming, and may not always be effective. Omics Gen Life Sciences, a startup initiated in 2017.
Invest in up-to-date technology for translating new innovation to products, especially in all sectors that faces challenges in healthcare.
Smart Lice, our brand, is an innovative formulation to kill microbes and inhibit colonization for a time period.
Smart Lice has 12 products of variable utility in market. It's a perfect solution for health and hygiene.
Introducing Smart Lice from Omics Gen Life Sciences. Smart Lice Air Freshener Disinfectant protects surfaces and objects with an alcohol-free formula that is non-inflammable and free from harmful ingredients, offering long-lasting freshness and protection. Floor Cleaner removes dirt and contamination from the floor, and you can see the sparkle with extended disinfectant property. Floor Cleaner is available in different fragrances: rose, lavender, oud, and bergamot. Wall Cleaner. Smart Lice Wall Cleaner cleans and disinfects all the surfaces, including tiles, metals, and painted area without any harmful ingredients. Gadget Wipes. Smart Lice Gadget Wipes wipe out all microbes on your gadgets and keep them protected up to 4 days. Cool Clean, a new formula of detergent with less carbon, no harm to clothes, no significant lather, hence requires less water to rinse, a microbicidal formula that cleans clothes even in ice-cold water. Smart Lice Fishy Odorless, our organic solution to rinse away the fishy smell. Smart Lice Kitchen Oil Licer wipe off oils from the chimneys or vents effortlessly without soap or water, extending the life of your kitchen appliances. Lens Cleaner. Clean, polish, and make your spectacles shine with our Smart Lice Lens Cleaner. You can carry it in your bag anywhere. It comes in 10 ml spray bottle with absorbent cloth and a pouch. Car Refreshener. Car Refreshener has no alcohol with 10 ml diffuser that can be hanged in your car. The fragrances diffuses slowly, and once empty you can refill it. CO2 BOD Incubator, IVF facility and cell culture facility cleaner. Clean and disinfect the COD incubator and laminar airflow. Regular use of the solution help to maintain the incubator's performance, extends its lifespan, and ensure compliance with the environmental testing standards. Lab Cleaner. The goal of our lab cleaning product is to get rid of contaminating microbes with superior powers by ensuring that lab environments are sterile and free from contaminants. These solutions help to maintain the integrity of experiments. We have a daily capacity of 10,000 litre production in our manufacturing unit at Kinfra High Tech Park.
At Omics Gen Life Sciences, we are committed to improve your daily life with innovative, safe, and effective solutions. Our Smart Lice brand has designed for safety with cutting-edge technology to ensure your home a healthy heaven.
Omics Gen Life Sciences.